In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Chrome better for productivity. We'll turn your browser into a focused workspace by streamlining your core Google tools. Start with your inbox. In Gmail, create labels like clients, finance, content, or urgent so messages land where they belong. Pair those labels with filters to auto-sort new emails as they arrive so you don't have to drag and drop manually. Star the messages that truly need action and use templates for replies you send often to save time and stay consistent. When you're done with a message, archive instead of deleting so it's searchable later without cluttering your inbox. For extra control, enable undo send and turn on keyboard shortcuts in settings to fly through triage faster. Next, shift to your calendar. In Google Calendar, create separate calendars for work, personal, and content, and give each a distinct color so your day is easier to scan. Add recurring tasks for routines you repeat and set reminders like 10 minutes or 1 hour before to avoid last-minute scrambles. Block dedicated focus time to protect deep work and reduce context switching. Time blocking your day beats a long to-do list because it forces priorities onto the schedule. Now tidy your files in Google Drive. Build main folders such as clients, marketing, admin, and finance, and commit to clear, consistent file names so everything stays findable. Share folders instead of individual files to keep access simple as projects grow, and set the right permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor, so collaboration stays secure. If you work with a team, use shared drives to centralize ownership and avoid lost files. When you draft in Google Docs, start with templates for proposals, reports, or SOPs to skip blank page syndrome. Use comments and suggesting mode to collaborate without overwriting each other, add headings for a clickable outline, and insert checklists to turn notes into action. This setup is perfect for SOP creation, blog writing, contracts, and meeting notes. For tracking, open Google Sheets. Create simple trackers for content, expenses, or leads, and lean on basic formulas like sum, if, and count for quick insights. Add filters to slice your data